Hi. In this video, we will take a look at the various ways you can keep track of the recognition activities in your organization with real-time analytics reports. Go to the Insights section from the home page, as seen on the left panel. Let's begin with the tab Culture and understand how your recognition program is influencing your organization's culture. The first reward and recognition penetration pie chart shows the proportion of recognition the employees have received in either the form of an appreciation or an award. The chart also gives the idea of what percentage of employees have never ever received recognition in any form. For every report on the Insights tab, you have the option to filter the data as required. Here, you can filter the data based on the business unit and date range. View or print the report if required, and have it downloaded in various formats. If you would like to refer to any specific chart, pin them to your dashboard for quick access. The Culture Alignment Index helps us to understand how aligned the recognition program is to your company values. The Appreciation Attrition Index helps us to understand the correlation between appreciation and attrition in the organization. The index value 0 indicates that all the employees who have exited the organization have never received any recognition. Whereas, the index value 1 indicates all the employees who have exited the organization have received rewards in some form or the other. This gives an understanding if recognition was one of the reasons for attrition in your organization. Intergroup Rewarding Report gives insights on the number of rewards that were given outside the issuer's business unit. You also get to see the number of rewards allocated within a same unit. This chart gives you the comparison of recognition activities in various business units. On the x-axis, you can see the names of all business units, while the y-axis gives you the percentage of various parameters like the employee logins, budget utilization, recognition activities, and so on. We now move on to influencers. This page helps you discover the top influencers of your company culture. Let us have a look at the data points and understand how aligned your employees are to your company values. The first report tells you the top 5 receivers of appreciation. You will get to see the exact number of times the person has received the appreciation award. In the report below, you can see the names of the top 5 givers of appreciation in the organization. You can apply various filters to get the desired data points. The Values Leaderboard displays the number of times each value has been associated with an award. As you can see, the graph is arranged in the ascending order of the occurrence of these values. The following reports gives an idea of the interaction level of employees on various recognition posts. You can see the names of the employees who have interacted the most by liking and commenting on various posts. Furthermore, you can see the top employees who have been actively participating in the engagement activities such as sharing recognition on social media. Advocacy. This section will help you understand how employees are amplifying the recognition received at workplace, on external social networks. The Social Index for Recognition graph shows the ratios of given and received likes and comments on the posts. You can also see the ratios of social media shares and exchanged celebration messages between employees. Social media account activation chart portrays the percentage of employees who have linked their external accounts to the recognition platform. Here, 97% of employees have not yet activated the recognition to their social media accounts, while almost 3% of the employees have it activated. Pulse. The 2 reports in the Pulse section will help you gauge the current mood of your employees. Happy employees inspire greater performance and greater success for both employees and employers. Let's take a look at the Mood-O-Meter. This indicator shows what percentage of people who gave feedback on the happiness meter are happy. The second graph tells you the percentage of day-wise participation of the surveyed employees. Furthermore, you can also see the average happiness quotient of your employees on any given date. Drill it down to various business units to understand how happy your employees are. This page gives us the insights of how well the employees are engaging on the platform. Let's look at the various parameters one by one. The first graph will give you the number of user logins to the platform for each day. You can set the date range by applying filters and have a look at the desired data points. The second graph gives you the count of employees who have logged in using the various platform. It could be a login through the web, mobile application, or any integrated platform. The next graph gives the count of employees who have repeatedly logged into the platform more than once in a month. Likewise, you can also see the data points for employees who have repeatedly logged into Thanks more than once in a month, using various platforms. Monthly app download graph gives us a count of mobile application downloads. You can further see which operating system has the highest number of download count. Our next graph shows the distribution of gaps or delays in logins by the users. This will help you to track the gap between logins for each user and show them in various sections. You can always drill down these reports to the required business unit level. The cumulative user login meter gives you an insight of the cumulative login percentage of total registered users who have logged in at least once. This gives an idea of how well employees are using the platform. Get an insight on the utilization of recognition budgets across groups. This graph can also be drilled down to reporting manager level to understand the budget utilization. You can study the various parameters such as budget allocated, budget available, pending approvals, and so on. Well, this one's really simple. You will get to see how the users are redeeming their reward points. View a monthly trend of redeemed, unredeemed, and expired points on the platform. Pin your charts as required, for quick and easy access. Once you have pinned them, go to the My Dashboard section. My Dashboard is the space where you can view all your pinned reports. This is the one-stop shop to study all your favorite data points at any given time. You can slice and dice the reports in different ways to benchmark your recognition initiative and keep a track of various activities happening on the platform. Congratulations on the completion of your training on social analytics of the platform. Thank you for watching and happy tracking.